Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of this affiliate marketing tutorial series where I'm going to reveal this one secret tool that is going to be a major eye-opener for all affiliate marketers out there. Now, as I promised in the last video, I'm going to reveal this secret tool that is helping out a lot of affiliate marketers using solo ads. And that secret tool is called Opt-in Dojo. Now, if you want to sign up for the software, you can always check out the link in the description box below. Now, this software doesn't come with a free trial, but it's a paid one. So you have to pay in order to access this software. It's really worth it. So when you sign up to the software using the link in the description box below, you will reach this page and it is called Opt-in Dojo. And you can see here, attention email list builders, up your email marketing game like a boss. Now, Opt-in Dojo shows you which traffic source are responsible for your front end and email sales without the need for a complicated setup. Now you can then stop spending money on the bad sources and get more leads from the good ones. To make it simple, in summary, with Opt-in Dojo, you can find which traffic sources send you responsive leads. Ultimately, you need a large responsive email list to get sales, and can also get who's the openers, who's the clickers, and who's the buyers, which is the most important one. And you will get informations like got sales from an email, know which traffic source sent you those converting leads, and see how many days of emailing it takes to break even for each of your traffic source, and integrates with your autoresponders to automatically tag buyer leads or move them to a separate list. Build a buyers list even if you are just an affiliate. Now, this is the most important point of using this tool Opt-in Dojo, as I said earlier in the previous video, building a buyers list even if you're just an affiliate. So once you scroll down, you can see many of the testimonials from this software users, and once you scroll down to the bottom, you can see the plan. Now here we have 3 plans, and which is Marketer, Pro and Guru plan, and this is billed monthly. And when it's in monthly option, you have $37 for the Marketer plan and $77 for the Pro plan and $147 for the Guru plan. Now under the Marketer plan, you get 10,000 actions per month, and under the Pro plan you have 100,000 actions per month, and under the Guru plan you have 1 million actions per month. So if you are a complete beginner and you're just starting out as an affiliate marketer and want to track your email list, then you can go for the Marketer plan, which is $37. And if you have really got the budget and you're in for the long-term game, then you can always go for the yearly plan, where you're going to save almost $10 in the Marketer plan, and it comes around $27. And if you're an advanced marketer who's already having an email list of 5,000, 10,000 and more, then you can go for the Pro plan. My sincere advice is to go for the annual plan if you really got the budget, because you will save a lot of money. Now, to understand the importance of this Opt-in Dojo tracking tool, how it is going to help in our affiliate marketing business, I'm going to hop onto my screen and show you the step-by-step how this software is going to help you build your affiliate marketing business. Now, if you can see my screen over here, this is the entire affiliate marketing flow of my business. And here you can see the different A, B, C, and D, and all these are different traffic sources. Now, in this case, the traffic source is going to be solo ads. Now you are buying solo ads, and if you don't know what is a solo ad and what's the use of a solo ad, then you can always check out my video in the top of the screen to learn more about solo ads. These are the different solo ad vendors, and you want to track which of these solo ad vendors are giving you a large responsive email list, and who is giving you better clickers, better openers, better buyers, and all those things can be done using this tracking tool. Now, from the solo ad vendor, once the email clicks are delivered, it comes directly to the squeeze page, which is the opt-in page. Now here I would recommend you to use Leadpages. Now, if you want to know more about the different tools that I use in my business, you can check out the links in the description box below. With the help of squeeze page, you're going to collect the email leads. Now every email leads that is going to be coming into your Leadpages account will be tracked by Opt-in Dojo. Now, if you have something called bridge page, then you can track how many of these leads have gone on to visit the bridge page after entering their first name and email address. And from the bridge page, if someone goes and sees the offer, which is the affiliate offer over here, then you can track how many of them have gone on to check the affiliate offer. Now, the other part is that once the persons have entered their email address and first name, they are automatically added to your email autoresponder. Now, in this case, I would recommend you to go for Aweber, which is great for affiliate marketers and having great deliverability. So once it enters your email autoresponders, you can also track all your email leads, who's opening, who's not opening, by inserting the opening tracking pixels. So from there, you can send them to the same offer, or you can send them to different affiliate offer. Now, the most important part comes here. So once they come to the sales offer page, if any one of your email leads is going to buy, then they are automatically moved to the buyers list. So this is how you're going to build your buyers list C. Now, buyers list C are the ones who have bought low ticket offers, anything less than 20 bucks. Suppose if you have an openers list of 500 people and you have your buyers list C with the 0 buyers, then once someone buys this sales offer, then automatically the openers list will reduce to 499 and your buyers list C count will increase to 1. So that is how this system is advanced, and this secret tracking tool is helping out affiliate marketers. And once the buyers list C is built, you can again send them different mid-ticket offers, anything more than $50 and less than $700, $800. You can send them, you can promote them different mid-ticket offers. Once they buy that mid-ticket offers, you are building a different bias list, which is called bias list B. And from there, once you have built your bias list B, you can send them high ticket offers. High ticket offer is the one which is more than $1,000. And once they buy the high ticket offers, they are moved to your premium bias list, which is bias list A. And from there, you can send them more and more high ticket offers. Bias list A is going to be the most precious email list that you have ever built in your online business. All these components have to be integrated. So how do you integrate? Now, Opt-in Dojo is the tool that integrates with all the squeeze page, the email autoresponders, and also the affiliate marketplace. So let me show you what it is. So over here, you can see Opt-in Dojo is going to be the central command system, which is going to be integrated to your autoresponder, Aweber, Getresponse, or System.io. I would recommend you to go for Aweber. And Opt-in Dojo also integrates with your funnel builder, which is the Leadpages, and Opt-in Dojo also integrates with your affiliate marketplace. Now, where you get your affiliate offers to promote. It can be ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Explodely, JVZoo, Digistore, anything. So I have shown you the secret tool, which is called Opt-in Dojo, to do the tracking of this entire affiliate marketing business. And also I have shown you what role does this tool play in our entire affiliate marketing business, and also how this tool is going to be integrated with all 3 different places like the affiliate marketplace and your Leadpages software or your autoresponder like Aweber at the high level. So in the next video, I'm going to discuss about the complete funnel creation setup, and please stay tuned to the next video so that you get real value out of it. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. So see you until then. Bye.